Some of the models for Sunday's snowstorm are starting to get a little bit crazy. Hey, my name is Anthony Bordenaro, Storm Tracker 16 meteorologist here for WNEP TV. I want to first talk about the snowstorms that we've had in the past. The average biggest snow event all year is 7 to 8 inches. That's the average. But last year, our biggest snow event was only 4.2 inches. So some years, it's significantly less. The year before, in 2024, we actually had an event just before Thanksgiving that dumped a foot of snow for our backyard and a lot more for some localized areas. Going back to 2022, 7 inches. In 2021, they had two events, one 8.5, another 11 inches. But if we go all the way back to 2021, that is the last time we saw 16 inches of snow in our backyard. 2021, that event was not a record. The record actually was in 2017, all time in Scranton, 22 inches, fell in the same day in March of 2017. So that's the perspective that we're dealing with. And now here's our map that we're expecting across our area. Again, some locally higher amounts across the viewing area will be somewhere near 15, 16 inches. We're expecting 8 to 14 inches across northeast and central Pennsylvania, a little bit less in some lower lying areas in central Pennsylvania. So that's what we're expecting, and we'll get through it.